Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cute cartoon Happy Birthday Godzilla in honor of Godzilla's birthday today. Now, Artland has had a lot of success due to Godzilla, so I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to draw something fun and interesting in honor of his 67th birthday today. So I hope you guys get to follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our cute Godzilla birthday, we're going to begin with the eye. So I want to start right about here, and we just want to make a circle shape for the eye. Then starting here, we're just going to make a little circle on the top and a small one on the bottom, and I'm just going to color this in. Now starting here, we want to make the nose and the mouth. So let's start with the mouth first. We want to begin right underneath the eye, and we're just going to draw a line that's going to come out, it's going to go up, and then over, kind of like a little stretched out S. Now starting up here, let's make a line that's going to go up, it's going to come over and down to connect. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to curve up for the tongue. Next, we're going to make a line that's just going to curve back here for the other side of the mouth. Next, we're going to put two little dots right up here for the nose. Starting right here, let's draw a little line that's just going to curve up for the chin. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to curve down for the head. And then we'll bring this down just a little bit farther. Starting right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out. We're going to curve it around, and then come back here for an arm. Then we'll just continue this line down to here. Starting here, let's draw a little line that's going to curve around for a leg. Then we'll make a little line that's going to go out and then come back for a toe. We'll draw another one that's going to go down and come back. And one more that's going to go down, and then we'll just bring it up to here. Now starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come out. We'll curve it around and then bring it right back down here to the foot. Starting here, let's draw a little curved line. Then we'll draw a little line that's just going to go out and then come back here. Over here, we'll draw another line that's going to go up. We'll curve it around and then bring it back for that other arm. Starting here, we'll make a line that goes out, and then we'll bring it back in for the other leg. Then for that other foot, we'll draw a line that goes out and then comes back in. We'll draw one that goes down and in, and then one more, and we'll bring it back to here. Then we'll draw a little line that curves down here for the tongue. Then on the hands, I'm going to make just a couple little small triangle shapes for some claws. We'll do about 3 on each one. And maybe we'll go ahead and add a 4th one on here too. Now we want to add the little dorsal fins. So to do this, let's draw a line that goes up, and then we're going to come down. We'll draw another one that goes out and down. And we'll draw one that comes down here and then a little line up here. We'll make another one here. We'll go down and then up, down and up, and then bring it back to here. Then we'll draw a couple little ones on the tail. So we'll put one here, and then I'll put two little bumps on the tail. Now inside the mouth, I'm going to add just a couple little bumps for some teeth. And then I just want to color in this part of the mouth really quickly. Starting here, let's draw a little line that's going to curve down for a stomach. And because this is his birthday, let's go ahead and draw a line that goes up and down for a little party hat. And we'll just put a little bumpy line on top of it. Then I'm going to add just a couple little curved lines on here. Then we're going to make a little cake down here. So to do this, let's just draw two lines that come down. And then we'll add a little curved line across. We'll draw a little wavy line right across the top. And a little line that goes up and then down. I'll make a little oval shape that comes around here, with another little skinny line right underneath it. We can add a little wavy line on here. And then at the top we'll make a little skinny rectangle with a little point on top for the little candle. And there you go, there is your little drawing of a cute little birthday Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.